Hello, fifth graders. So I'm going to start this video today with just going over problem number 3 from the topic 15 test. So it was about picking apples and peaches and making money on the baskets that you pick. And we followed the pattern and we created a table that looked very much like this. And then there was a question on the last part, part E. It says Isaiah wants to compute his total earnings after picking 10 baskets. So we could continue this table, okay, until you get to 10 baskets, but you can also do some multiplication. So if you want to get 10 baskets of apples, well, we know each basket is $3. So 10 baskets, $3 each would be $30. And then what we can do, we can add that $30 to the already $24 made for apples. So 24 plus 30. That would give us A. Peaches, 10 baskets. We know that they're $4.50 each. So 10 baskets, $4.50 each would be $45. And we'd add that 45 to the $18 already made on peaches. So 18 plus 45. And then we solve what A, 24 plus 30 is 54. 18 plus 45 is 63 for P. So 54 plus 63 is 117. And yes, you would get it if you continued the pattern, but this is just doing some multiplication instead to solve that answer. All right. So what I'm going to do now, I just want to really quickly review again the types of triangles. So right now, I'm looking in your workbook at page 853. So let's start with this triangle right here. We're not given any sides of this triangle, but we are given angles. We're given 70 degrees angle, 70-degree angle, and a 40-degree angle. What do you think? Well, we know all of these are less than 90, so it has to be what? Well, they're all less than 90, so it's an acute triangle. Now, we don't know anything about the sides, but if it has two of the same angles, it has to have two of the same sides. So when a triangle has two sides the same length, it's isosceles. All right, some people are mixing up scalene and isosceles on the Google form. Isosceles is two sides the same length. So this triangle right here is acute isosceles. This triangle, it's really easy to see already. The angle, this box tells us it's a right triangle. And then all three dimensions of this triangle, or all three lengths, are different. So it's a right scalene triangle. Remember, when you step on a scale, everyone gets a different number. This one right here, okay, we see that angle is greater than 90. So it's obtuse. And then we see 9 2/10 here and 9 2/10 here. It has two sides that are the same length. So it's isosceles. It's isosceles. All right, so this is an obtuse isosceles triangle. This one right here, again, we see it's a right triangle. Okay, and then all of the sides are different lengths. Step onto a scale, everyone gets a different number. It's scalene right triangle. And this one right here, they point to the angles. It's 30, 75, and 75. They're all less than 90. So that means that this is an acute triangle. And then it has two sides the same length. So it's acute isosceles. Isosceles. All right. Let's look at this one. All angles are the same. All sides are the same. So it's going to be acute equilateral. All right, so what you guys are going to do, we don't have a Google form today. You guys are going to go onto Flipgrid and you are going to do a triangle scavenger hunt. You're going to walk around your house and try to find as many triangles or different types of triangles as you can and identify what they are.